Tutubuan na. Ay, siya! Sita ako naman. Ayaw mo. Oy! Bebantayan mo yan, ha? Ben! Ako liligo. 10?
9. Hindi. 10 nga. 10. 10.
Up, tampit. Tampis.
This is
Dito na namin pa.
Come here. Sarap naman tinakain mo.
Up. Ay.
Ayaw. It's got chili country. Let's try to get one. That's not that. Hello, one bowl. Maybe we got lucky. Come on. Let's wait. What's that? What's that? Here.
Computer, come on!
Not it.
What is he? What is he eating?
Pandis.
Are you eating pandesal?
What's that?
Come on! Liligo na tayo! Come on!
Show yourself. How about you can eat the pandis?
Ate!
The way those. I mean.
Bye, ate! Bye! Ate, maliligo na siya.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Sige, tapos pa kayo na yan. Yan.
I'm just gonna go tomorrow. Let's pause. Okay,
Di ba sa subutin ng pagkain?
okay, that's it.
Pagkain! Sino ang pagkain ni Duday? Saan?
That's
Sino ang pagkain ma? Lobster! Yan, turuan mo yun. Turuan mo mamalayan ko yan. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Tell that. It's not yet. out of it. Okay. So then, after time, we're going to put my brother's school.
Kumain ka muna. Hindi ka pa kumakain eh.
Wala nga.
Gusto mo kumain?
Wait lang. That's super sour. Ito sarap. Oh, there's butter underneath also, but it's only not moving. The side, but they don't have flavor. Okay guys, please thank you for liking and subscribing with part 3. Wait for part 3 of the drawing video. Just comment
Nagpasa ako ba?
just comment down below if you want a part 3 of the drawing video. See you later. Thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna still finish it. Okay, bye. You actually have. Bye guys. Peace. I love you.